TheBikerStore.com presents Kuryakyn's Premier Throttle Assist product review. Kuryakyn's Premier Affordable Cruise Assist is one of the best accessories you can add to your ride. If you're tired of getting hand cramps on long rides, on your first ride you'll appreciate how well this part works. All you have to do is set your speed, flip the thumb lever down, and enjoy the ride. You're going to love it, and it's affordable. The Throttle Assist isn't flashy or expensive. Kuryakyn designed it for the rider that doesn't need a lot of flash or expensive parts, but one who needs to have a more comfortable ride. Here you can see the mounting hardware that comes in the kit. The Throttle Assist is designed to fit metric motorcycles only, with 7/8 inch or 1 inch handlebars. The Throttle Assist will not work on 1 1/4 inch bars. Included in the kit are interchangeable rubber inserts that allow use with most grip configurations. If your grips are between 1 1/8 inches and 1 3/4 inches outside diameter, this part will work for you. Installing the Cruise Assist is not difficult. On a scale of 5 wrenches, we put it at a 2. Depending upon what is installed in your bike's handlebars, you may have to do some adjusting to allow for the clamps to fit. Only a few tools are needed. You'll need a set of hex wrenches and combination wrenches, and possibly a screwdriver if you need to adjust some of the equipment already installed on your bars. It is important that you test your installation when you are finished by making sure everything works smoothly. Unlike a true cruise control, this is a throttle assist that locks the throttle in place. To disengage the throttle lock, you simply flip the lever. The parts come with complete step-by-step instructions with photos. Kuryakyn's Premier Affordable Cruise Assist is available at TheBikerStore.com. Thank you for watching.